Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting yourself into the Only Way Playbooks interface, sign in, and pick the workspace you'll use. Once done, grant storage and calendar permissions so files and timelines sync. Then create a new playbook from a template or blank canvas. This gives you structure. Make sure to name it clearly and set visibility. You'll now have a working playbook ready for edits and collaborators, so move on to adding content. You'll build the core by adding objectives, steps, and roles. This organizes what matters and why. Once that's laid out, create tasks with checklists, attach files, and set due dates so each step is actionable. Then assign roles and dependencies to enforce order. This prevents work from starting before prerequisites finish. Make sure to enable notifications and comment threads so collaborators stay aligned. By now, you finish by running a trial execution. Follow steps, mark tasks complete, and watch for gaps. Once you gather feedback, update steps, increment the version, and lock the final draft if needed. Make sure to export or share the published playbook with stakeholders. If something breaks, like syncing or missing attachments, first check app permissions and network connectivity, then reauthorize the account. If that fails, re-upload the missing files. This gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.